101.1, the spirit of Indonesia Smart FM. Good evening, guys. Good evening. How are you guys?
Alhamdulillah, okay.
Yeah, welcome back for smart listeners at home. That we are back here, right? We are from BPEC, right? As every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Of course, we have a special program with Smart FM with BPEC, Smart Up Your Life. And of course, every week we have a special discussion or topic. And our topic tonight is, do you know? What our topic tonight?
About scholarship.
Yeah, the biggest population productive in the world are students or young generation, and they come from students and etc. And of course, when we're talking about students, it is related with education. And some students in all of the world, they have a dream, and one of their dream is get scholarship, and that is one of their dream. So that's why our topic tonight is scholarship dream. Okay, but before we are going to talking about our topic tonight, maybe guys, one of you can introduce what is BPEC itself and introduce yourself one by one. Maybe from you, introduce yourself.
All right. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Hello, smart listener. I'm Muhammad Pajri, but people usually call me as Pajri, Pajri. I'm 21 years old, and I'm a student of Alauddin State Islamic University of Makassar. And to be honest, it's my very first time for being here, so nice to meet you.
Okay, welcome back, Fajri.
Yeah, thank you.
You are the committee, you're fan of Achang, right?
Yes.
Okay, same committee. Okay, welcome back, Fajri. Okay, next, who is your name?
Hi, smart listeners.
Hi.
My name is Nurfaza Putri Barudin. You can call me Nurfa. I'm a psychology student from Islamic University of Bandung. I'm 20 years old.
20 years old.
Thank
Part of
you.
BPEC.
Yes.
2022. Okay, Nurfa, yeah? I can call you Nurfa. Okay, next.
Hi, smart listener. My name is Nurul Fatana Musni. You can call me Fatana. I'm from State University of Makassar.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My full name is Abdullah bin Tapamukas. You can call me Wahid. I come from Unismu Makassar, English Education Department.
Okay. Next.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you for the chance given to me. So my name is Aldan Wiranata. You guys can call me Aldan, and I'm taking civil engineering department in State University of Makassar. Nice to meet you guys.
Okay, I wanna ask you to introducing what is BPPC itself.
All right. So basically, BPEC.
Okay, come on. No.
BPEC or Benteng Panynyua English Club is the oldest English club that exists in Makassar, and it's established since 1986.
Okay.
And we have a program that very interesting that we always conduct in every single Sunday, and it's called as Sunday Weekly Meeting. So it's starting at 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and it's conducted in Fort Rotterdam right now. In BPEC we have a program. In that program we have some items. So first of all we have Who Am I program. Who Am I means that we will invite the newcomer in that meeting, and then we ask them to introduce themselves. I mean, they can introduce everything they want to introduce. The second one, we have ice breaking. That is, so besides Who Am I, of course, we learn English, but we also play some games to make our meeting more crowded. And then we have DND, or discussion and debate.
I still do not disturb DND. No, kidding. Okay,
Alright, discussion and debate. So basically, we're gonna divide it into some small groups, and then we're gonna discuss a topic, and then after that, we're gonna divide it into two big groups to discuss, a topic that we talk about. Next, we have building skill. In building skill, basically, we will learn about basic English material. So the next is we have entertainment
Mhm.
also. So we can invite the participant in there to show their talent.
Everyone to be artist.
Yeah.
In BPC.
And the last is you have announcements. So
Uh-huh.
everything you want to announce in that meeting, you may it's kind of like you may announce a scholarship information or a seminar, and etc. And one of the most important is it's free for everyone, and it's free of charge.
Everyone like free of charge.
Yeah.
You know, the people Makassar say Gora.
Sure. So if you guys are really interested in learning English for free, just come with us.
Okay, thank you, Fajri. Okay, our topic tonight is scholarship dream. This consists of two words: scholarship and dream. Okay, I'm sorry. What do you think about this topic?
I think this topic very interesting for me as a
Mhm.
student, as a university student, because it can be make us easily to get education with the scholarship. And I think every students in this world maybe have a dream for getting a scholarship. So it's very interesting that, and we will discuss about this tonight. So
Okay, as you know, what kind of scholarship provide in our country?
I just know about two, national from government, and then from the company one, and I just know that too.
What about the
Private
specific? I mean, like the sources, like the term like LPDP or something else, or
Yeah, I know about that. So the question is,
yeah, the kind. I mean, like LPDP and
maybe seaside. I think I forget the name of company who invite us for scholarship. But there's a lot of company for make the students easily to get education.
Okay, I'll let you to think about it. Keep your statement. I want to move to you. I want to
Alright.
ask you, what do you think about this topic?
So generally, this topic is very interesting especially for some students and also for the smart listener.
Yeah.
I think we discuss here, we share here. Maybe some of us maybe don't know that there are so many scholarships that exist in Indonesia, maybe or in another country. But I think we're gonna discuss about it here. So it's very good to talk.
In, as you know, in your mind, what kind of scholarship that provide in our country and maybe abroad?
All right. If I'm not mistaken,
Yeah.
in Indonesia there are some, especially from the government, like LPDP, and also we have beasiswa unggulan, which is come from
The
Ministry
term
of Education.
come from Indonesia or bahasa beasiswa unggulan?
Yeah,
Okay.
beasiswa unggulan, and if it's coming from a company, we have Kala. Kala provides scholarship and also data print. Sometimes I heard that word, but in international, if I'm not mistaken, it's it's Fulbright, which is
Fulbright.
coming from the United States.
Okay, thank you, Fajri. Okay, move to you, Aldan. Nice to see you again. Okay, what do you think about this topic as a university student?
So as what our brother stated before, that scholarship is very essential for all students, because who knows, there are some students which has financial problems to get a higher education, especially to continue their study to be what they want, to continue study, for example, to be a doctor. They don't have they don't have financial support in terms of reaching their dream. So by getting this scholarship, you can help them to reach their dreams, can support them to be what they want. So from scholarship as well, they actually have dreams. They have opportunity to be what they want. Yeah, I think that's
As you know, on your mind, what kind of scholarship that provide in our country, or maybe in abroad also, abroad country?
like he stated before about beasiswa unggulan and
Mhm.
KIP is actually from government. But in my opinion, yeah, as far as my experience, many institution actually provide a big institution, yeah, a big company like
Yeah.
Pertamina,
Yeah.
many of them, even Jarum, many big companies provide. So, but you have to try to search on many social media that you will get it. So there are a lot.
A lot, right? Okay, but oftenly the students cannot reach because they do not or they did not searching or research
Yeah.
about it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Alden.
welcome.
Move to you. Who is your name? Nurfa.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think about our topic tonight?
I think it's everyone's dream to get scholarship.
Okay.
In my opinion, scholarship is a financial aid from an institution for both underachieving and underprivileged students.
Yeah.
And one of the purpose is to help reduce the burden of parents financially. Yeah, so
Okay, keep your statement. We will be right back after this 101.1 The Spirit of Indonesia Smart FM.